Good morning and welcome to Bleeding Crypto's BTC Morning Update. It is January 3rd, and we're going to start by looking at coin market cap. The current market cap is a little bit above 130 billion with BTC dominance at 51.5%. As we can see here by looking at coin market cap at the top 10, we're sitting slightly below at a very small loss. We have a few percentages in a negative on across the board. BTC, ETH, XRP at 3.07% and so forth. You can see it's basically retracing from yesterday's gains, which is not much of a retracement. It is expected in these markets. Looking at the top three gainers in the past 24 hours, we have R at 29.7, Link at 11.46, and Nexo at 5.83. They have the highest percentage in the past 24 hours in gains. Looking at BTC at the 1 hour time frame, we just lost the support of the 50 EMA. We came right back down here to 37.29, and currently the RSI is at a really low point here at 32 points. We have the MACD still trying to find a bottom. It's still pointing bearish. But hopefully if we can get enough volume coming in, we can stop it here and continue a movement back to the upside. Well, it's still too early to tell, but looking at the 4 hour time frame gives you a little bit better picture here with the fib level up here. It shows that BTC fell right at the 0.68 fib level. Wick exactly on it. The candle bar is currently sitting right at the old support resistance line. So we can see here where these fib levels really come in handy when we're looking at retracements and how well it respects these fib levels. Looking at the 12-hour time frame, you can see here a little bit better picture on how Bitcoin has just been going sideways. We've had some moves to the upside and downside, but when you really zoom out, it gives you a really good perspective on how we are in a very tight range here. Currently, we have lost the support of the 9 and 30 EMA, and the MACD is neutral, reflecting this pattern here that we have in the candlesticks. Not much movement on these higher time frames. Looking at the 1 day time frame gives us even a better perspective on how tight this range is here. Ever since we had this move to the upside, which ended on December 20th, we've just been going sideways. We currently are below the 9 EMA, so we want to try to keep as close to this 9 EMA as possible. We would like to stay above the 9 EMA, but for that we do need a little bit more volume, a little bit more liquidity to come into the market to maintain that level above the 9 EMA. One of the EMAs that I am looking for to break is the 50 EMA on the 1 day time frame, which currently sits at 41.78 around there, and that is a key EMA to break. If you look to the left, we've had a very hard time breaking and maintaining a close above the 50 EMA. We had a break above the 50 EMA back here in August 27th, and we were able to close, but on September 6th, we fell below the 50, and since then, we have not had any luck in closing and maintaining a price action above that 50 EMA on the 1 day time frame. So I'm definitely looking for that break and maintaining the 50 EMA, and hopefully if we can do that, we can move to our next EMA as a target at 49.26, where it currently stands for the 100 EMA. So that'll be all for now, guys, for our BTC update. We will have a news video coming up for those members in my Discord group, and we will have our daily Zoom session at 1 p.m. We will also have our 3 p.m. video on the upcoming events for some of these coins, and then at 5 p.m. we'll close out the video, kind of just taking a look at the day overall. For those that want to be part of the other video sessions and the live Zoom sessions that are not members of my Discord group, you can find more information on bleedingcrypto.com if you'd like to come and join our Discord group and see what we're all about and meet some new members here on our amazing community. We definitely welcome you to do so. Thank you guys very much and have a great day.